Hello everybody, Terry from Terry's O-Gauge Trains with another video, and this is actually going to be a multi-part video series. Yesterday I got this Marx plastic New York Central Pacemaker caboose in the mail from eBay, and I knew when I got it it had some cosmetic issues, and so I'm going to go over some of them. As you can see, the shell is cracked. It's missing a corner here, which I intend to fix. I have ways of doing that. And I've got the wheels off so I could wash it, try to clean it up. It's got this stain on it. It would not come off. And if we tip it over here, if you look close, I'll zoom in, you can see that it had at one point apparently gotten melted. And what that's causing is it pushed that hole for the axle up, and it's causing the caboose to sit lopsided, so it doesn't sit level on the track. So what I intend to do is using some of that JB Weld putty, I'm going to attempt to reform this curved piece here on the other one and fill that hole and re-drill a new hole for the axle at the right level. And that should solve that problem. And then also use the putty to reform this corner here. And I've got a smokestack coming that I can replace the missing smokestack. And then I'm seriously considering painting, since that stain won't go, just painting the roof of the caboose black. So I'll keep you posted as I go with it. There'll be other videos coming showing the progress on it. And I'm also going to show you how I tend to blacken these wheels so that they'll never rust again, and it really makes them look a lot nicer. So that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for more coming. If you like this video, please be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next chapter in the restoration of this Marx caboose. Till next time, bye.